Alright, so we're gonna make like a 5-minute beat. So basically I'm gonna go here to YouTube. I'm gonna sample this song here. I ain't gonna play it that long. I gave to you. Alright, so what I did, I took this song, put it in here into a deep remix. And basically, so what I did, I went here and separated the vocals. And I exported the vocals, right? Then I took a version of the beat and exported it without the vocals. Alright? So then what I did is I took that, exported it, I brought it over to the MPC, and I sliced it up, you know? Alright, so that's the chops I got. Put some drums in here. Here's the vocals here. Okay, so I took those and just chopped them up and used them the way I want. Got the hi-hat, and I played the bass line. Alright, so let's listen.